Wineries Unlimited is the largest vineyard and winery event east of the Rocky Mountains. This 4-day event has grown steadily over the last 3 decades, consistently drawing attendees for its informative conference sessions and expansive trade show.
Wineries Unlimited Conference and Trade Show is the preeminent conference and trade show for the Midwest and Eastern wine industry of North America. My folks, Bill Moffitt and Hope Merletti, back in the early 70s, thought that there was a need for a higher level of education to help the Eastern industry and the Midwestern industry.
Wineries Unlimited offers the opportunity to learn new ideas and renew philosophies by featuring multi-track conference sessions that are designed to expand your knowledge, increase your profit, and put money back in your pocket.
It's important that they come here because we provide the most in-depth and widespread educational series that can be offered in this area of the United States. This year we've brought in over 65 speakers with 3 concurrent sessions, one being viticulture, another being enology, and the third being business, which is so important now to wineries.
This is probably the most important conference or event for newcomers to the wine business, and there's always been an emphasis in seminars on serving the needs and educating those people. If you come to a conference like this, you can learn things from more experienced winemakers, veterans, and avoid a lot of mistakes.
The 2-day trade show is a buyer's trade show with over 350 exhibitor booths available for one-on-one meetings with new and returning vendors. Many come with shopping list in hand to make their annual purchases.
Our show represents wineries that cover over 26 states east of the Rockies. Many of those wineries are emerging, maybe in remote locations, and don't have the access to products and services that a lot of the wineries in more established regions do. We have the largest compilation of vendors anywhere that you'll find outside of California. We have over 100,000 square foot of trade show area representing over 350 vendors. And Wineries Unlimited really has become, for our clientele, the one-stop shop a year to come and to buy and look and see their products and services.
We deal with so many different types of equipment for the winery that we see people shopping for every facet of the industry. You know, barrels, racks, corks, capsules, bottling lines, labels, glass, you name it. People are here to find everything, and this is the one event in the East where you're going to walk in and you're going to see all the suppliers who are legitimate players in the industry who offer what you're looking for.
You meet all the vendors at one time. You don't have to travel anywhere. You don't have to get on the phone every day and talk to 6 people about labels. You could hit them all here, talk to 3 different label people. Plus, you know, there's FaceTime. I work with who I'm comfortable with, who I have a relationship with, who I know is going to build my brand with me.
We've been coming to this show since it began. The wine industry in the East Coast has been growing ever since.
You're getting new methods, new machines, new materials, that sort of thing, and they're being demonstrated or illustrated by people who are experts in their field.
Wineries Unlimited is considered the meeting place for the Eastern wine industry to see old friends, make new ones, and develop business contacts.
This is where the industry comes together once a year to renew themselves, to renew their products and services, to renew their education, to reacquaint themselves with friends and colleagues that they may not have seen, to share ideas.
You look forward to come to Wineries Unlimited just to see your friends, drink a glass of wine with them, and share a few stories.
The cliche would be networking, but that doesn't do justice to that kind of experience of seeing old friends and learning what they're up to and renewing acquaintances. And then there's always something to learn in the wine business.
The path to success for the Eastern wine industry is reflected in the continued growth and success of Wineries Unlimited.
I think that what we're seeing is that wine's truly becoming part of the American culture. So it becomes part of the lifestyle and the experience and the sharing with family and friends. People want to have food and wine experiences, and I say more of it.
The thing that has amazed me about this show is the same thing that has amazed me about the Eastern wine industry, and that's its continued growth. And this show seems to be keeping pace with not only the growth of the Eastern wine industries, but the needs of the Eastern wine industries. And I wouldn't think about being in this business without coming to this show.
It combines expertise with a good education, with having a wonderful time.
Wineries Unlimited is a coming together. It's almost a family reunion of the Eastern and Midwestern wine industry. There's a lot of satisfaction in being able to be a part of that process and to be able to give back to an industry that my family has been a part of for the last 35 years.
Don't miss the next Wineries Unlimited. For more details, visit wineriesunlimited.com today.